My name is Susie Tate and I'm a dance artist, particularly working with learning disabilities and in health and wellbeing. The thing which I really love working with this group is they're so open to working with new people. So it's seeing them work with new people, seeing them being challenged and rise to that challenge.
Today has been a really enjoyable day actually. I think push the boundaries of what the guys have done in the past. The live stream with Ben, he was playing his flute and clarinet and various other instruments via Zoom. They were interacting with him. Yeah, it was a really good day, enjoyable.
One of my most favourite parts would have been seeing them do their solos and how seeing them go from movement which they feel they know and they're comfortable, and that kind of the music took them to a different level. They're almost quite meditative. Seeing them do that, it took them to a different level, which now I know I can push them to. But it was really beautiful to see that.
Ben was fantastic over Zoom. Even though it was a challenging environment, that room was huge and echoey, and yet still he was able to be really responsive to us, to really engage with us, being really observant to every person in the room. When participants would create music in the room, he would respond back with his flute and sort of mirror what they were doing, and it created a really nice kind of collaboration that they found really exciting.